Hi, I'm Canedo from Canedo PC, and this is my PC tip of the day. I want to talk about the weight of today's AC adapters for today's laptops and older ones. When selecting a new laptop or one you're going to use on a daily basis and carry around with you, the importance of the weight of the AC adapter, I think, is just as important as the size and weight of the laptop. The AC adapter that is included with the HP Pavilion laptop, it's already a heavy laptop. It's a heavy AC adapter as well. The Acer Chromebook C7 includes a very, very light AC adapter, so the AC adapter along with the laptop is going to be very light to carry around with you on a daily basis. When selecting a new laptop, make sure you check out the weight of the AC adapter. Thank you for watching my tip of the day.